Track is our client on this project. They're a private toll concessionaire, and under the National Roads Authority, SANRAL, they've been given the mandate to operate and maintain and upgrade the N4 Maputo development corridor between Pretoria and Maputo in Mozambique. One of the big key challenges that we faced on this project is the location. The project is located on a farm called Montrose. Obviously, these valleys are quite deep. There's quite a lot of vegetation in the area that is very sensitive. Some of the trees are endangered, so we had to do our best to avoid hitting any of those trees and unnecessarily damaging the environment. One of the most important products from Bentley that we used on this project was Bentley's ContextCapture. I believe it's now called iTwin. What we used that software for was to build a reality mesh. So we built that model from drone photography alone. It cost us a fraction of what a full topographical survey would be, and it enabled us to do concept designs much earlier in the project delivery schedule than what we would have had we had to wait for a full topographical survey to be delivered. In terms of the impact on the environment, using the ContextCapture model that we built throughout the design process, we could then become cognizant of what areas to avoid, where could we potentially not cut away some material and leave some greenery in place. So in that way, we reduced the net impact on the environment. We're definitely going to use what we built for this project to develop digital twins in future.